Guys, how are you? In today's digital world, having an online is not enough. If people cannot find your business online, you are losing opportunity every single day. This is where digital marketing and SEO come in. Digital marketing means promoting your products or service using online platform like Google, YouTube, Facebook, and website among all these methods. SEO, search engine optimization, is one of the most powerful tools. SEO helps SEO helps your website, video, or content appear on the first page or Google when people search or solution product. Think about this. When was the last time you clicked on page 2 of Google exactly? Most users trust the top result. SEO works by focusing on three main things: keywords, content, and optimization. First, keywords research help you understand what your audience is searching for. Second, quality content provides real value and answer people's questions. Third, optimization improves your titles, description, spread, and mobile performance. The biggest advantage to our SEO is that it thinks free organic traffic. Even unlike paid ads, SEO works and delivers long-term result. Business that invest in SEO build trust and contest growth over time. So if you want more traffic, more leads, and more sales without spending money on ads, digital marketing, what SEO is the smartest strategy. Smart learning SEO today, because the future of business is digital optimization. And follow for more digital marketing and SEO tips. Bye.